right, you ready?
Count it down.
On go. 3,
On
2,
one.
on go. 3, 2, 1,
Go.
go.
Shoot.
Oh wait.
What do you mean wait?
I didn't set the difficulties.
Ready up again?
So what are we putting them on? Hall of Fame?
All-Star.
All-Star? What is this?
That's what it would be on anyway, ranked.
Alright, now I'm ready.
Hold on. Alright, count down.
Alright. On go.
On one.
3,
Rock,
2,
paper,
1. Bean,
scissors.
shut up!
Go.
3, 2,
Go.
go. Oh my god. Found?
Opponent found?
Here we go. Here we go.
Let's see. Hang on. Alright,
Listen for like the other team moving.
I'm first, right? So, Joe
Yeah, you're
Beef, that's
first.
lead off, obviously.
I'm
third.
second
I'm
or third?
second.
Bean, who do you have?
Give me,
Jorge
give me
and-
Big
Aldo.
Donkey in the
George
two-hole.
and
I'm
Nice.
J-Ram.
Yeah, I have Yaz and J-Ram.
J-Ram second.
But Yaz,
Yeah, J-Ram second.
We put Stanton
Yaz
sixth.
first.
Then,
yeah, Yaz ahead.
no,
I think they took one of my guys out. Go down.
Cassis.
Keep going down. Cassis, yeah. DH him or first base? You have a first base slot?
J-Ram
Oh,
could
we
play. J-Ram
Third
could play.
base.
J-Ram can play third, yeah.
Oh, we cooked.
Wait.
Are we good with this? I'm second, right?
Yeah, you're second.
I like this.
J-Ram we could low-key put at second if you need to, too.
Yeah, I think that's
We kind of can't. We could play George at
Okay.
first.
so.
I
Cassis.
think George can play first. But do we really want to take out Nick?
Give me Higgy.
Wow.
On Higley.
Yeah.
You
throw
like
it with
you
Higgy.
like him that much?
I'll take
I
Nito
like
just
him
to
a lot.
split it up a
Way
little bit.
better.
Alright, it's
Alright.
good?
Yeah, ready up. See if it works.
Alright, we ready up.
Yeah, we see it.
Oh, you
Yes.
ready up?
Yes.
I think it's
Oh.
fine.
Oh, we
You
could
guys are going?
we could pinch hit him if we need to.
Yeah.
I get
Can't wait for
Joe.
Joe
Beef.
Beef.
Oh, no, I get Carter.
Joe
No, I
Beef's
want
gonna
Carter.
lead it off with a 490
Yeah,
foot bomb.
give me
go.
Zach. I'm good with Zach.
James.
You in a pitcher
know,
selection?
You're going up against a real big donkey there, so you gotta lock it in.
I'm gonna try my best.
You guys are in your
Always
pitcher
the right.
selection?
Always the right.
Yeah.
Always the right.
Right? Alright. You're right.
No
There it
way!
is.
Alright, nice. Nice. Let's see.
There they are.
There it is.
Let's go.
Nolan Ryan?
Yeah.
Oh god.
I should have picked Jesse Winker. Fuck.
Oh, they have Nick Kurtz. We're
That's what I
screwed.
should have done.
You got a little City
Hammer.
Connects on?
Why are we not playing in Polo Grounds?
Hammered. No,
Because
we should be playing at Mac Park. What are we doing?
I don't have Mac Park. I wasn't a
Do
part
the
of the
Negro
Negro.
League
bro.
things, you racist.
Fuck the Negroes.
Oh.
Whoa.
Save that one, Moose.
Come on, Bean.
Yeah.
Bring back
clip
slavery.
It. Clip it.
Save that one too.
Clip
I'm
that.
recording for this.
Moose.
Moose is
I know
live
where
right
you're
now.
This game's going up on the channel.
That was James Finizzi.
Oh, not being you
Alright, let's
asked
go,
for
boys.
it. My name's actually Amanda Zuntag.
AKA Big Red.
For Oneonta State women's basketball starting
Alright,
center.
so Jack is hitting first.
Yes.
Let's remember that.
Oof.
Where you going, Habs?
Can't believe it worked first try.
Oh, it's the.
Ooh! Swinging a 9-iron there, B.
What's better than strike two?
Yeah, fastball up and in.
There he is.
There he is.
Yes!
Hey, I'm
Big
here. I'll make the
goal.
play. I'll make the play.
Right on
This
the
is
ship
Bean.
there.
This is Bean and Moose.
Moose.
You can tell by the players.
Woo. Someone hasn't played in a week.
That's cheddar.
Yeah, it's definitely Moose.
Oh, a wee bit early there, lad.
We've been early there, laddie. Ooh.
Ah,
Taking all the way.
got no balls.
Hey, Moose, you
Now
ever
my
hear Bob
girlfriend wants to
Ross?
send me 8 messages.
All he did was paint.
Ooh.
that was a dot. Oh, that
That really was.
too. Strike three, Moose.
There it is.
Yeah, come on, Moose, lock in.
That was Beans.
Can't wait till I strike out in 3 pitches.
Obviously, it was me.
Sorry.
Hey, Bean, take it easy.
Fuck you. Mexican.
Wow. Clip
There's
that,
a,
Moose.
there's a,
Clip that.
there's a Yasmani Grandal in this game?
Calling ice.
Yeah. I should have picked him.
Oh,
There it goes.
man.
See ya.
Who hasn't played in a week?
Is that Moose or Bean? Who was
That
that?
was
That was
Moose.
Did you hear how hype he got?
Gotta be kidding me.
He left the little present in his diaper.
Hey,
Bada
you got
bing.
on a fast.
So
You
what if
got
I
on a
did?
fastball.
I got a run on
got
the board.
He got him. I had to test him.
You
Did
got
you
on.
really,
You got on a
Moose?
fastball. Whatever.
Maybe I did. Maybe I didn't.
Oh God, guys, I'm
Getting
sorry
flashbacks,
right
Steven?
now. Yeah, this is not gonna end.
Story and course.
Yeah, I know. Not gonna end well.
Steven,
Hey,
you should
Steve,
FaceTime
Steve,
me and
Steve.
see if we get a recreation of that.
Last time I played Jack and he had Trevor Story, I think he went 4 for 4, 4 home runs.
Hit a
Nope,
walk
Not
off
this
the
time. Hey, that's a hard out. That's
Oh
a
my
hard
God.
strike. It's a hard
Steven,
strike.
can you
That's all.
FaceTime me and see if we get a recreation of
Fuck
that
off,
photo?
Moose. We're on the same team. You're supposed to be You're supposed to be on my side.
Yeah, but that photo is worth like years of this.
That photo, that game is the most bullshit. What do we play for?
Hey.
Was it Clay Matthews?
Amari Cooper, I think. No, Amari Cooper scored it. I think it was Clay Matthews.
I think it was Team of the Year Clay Matthews. I think I put Team of the Year Clay Matthews, and you put like Team of the Year like Calvin Pryor. It was I had 2 Clay Matthews, and you had 2 somebody, and we put both of them on the line. I put like 7 Team of the Years that year. It was the most ridiculous thing.
You had to throw Lance McCullers or something.
I put like 2 Andre Roberts, 3 Ryan Khalils, and like 2 Clay Matthews.
Is that
And I
Bob
got
Russell here?
And I got scammed out of
Hey, good
one of
night.
my Ryan Khalils.
Hey, Bean, my guy's at the plate. Can you keep it down?
Shut the fuck up,
Hey,
pussy. Strike 3. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna pitch.
That is not what we want to hear. Keep that to yourself. That's not what you need the other team to hear.
Good take. All the way.
This is my guy. I never used him. Heh.
What?
I went on
He did
that?
not go.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
he went.
did. Big time, I did.
Ready? High fastball.
Get
Slap
through.
the other way.
Get true.
Ah.
Get true. Come on.
it's routine.
J Ram throws out J Ram. Uh-oh.
I feel like I feel like I got on that ball. I could have slapped it the other way. Nope.
Is Dunn is in the XP program, right?
Yeah.
Lou Bob is the multiplayer.
Nope. Spit on it.
Okay.
Oh. Oh.
Hey, it's fine, dude. That's still 2-1 ahead. Oh.
Heh.
Oh! What the fuck? There's no way it was that early.
You.
Hey, base hit ball 4.
You're not ready for the low and in sinker.
There's actually a changeup, Bean.
I couldn't tell.
Oof. There goes
Very
Bean.
slow.
Gas.
Gas him up.
Throwing gas.
How's everyone's mothers and fathers?
I might not touch the ball this game. I won't lie. My plan was to get carried by Jack and Moose.
Not you, Moose. Not you. You know what they say, Moose? Good change up.
Not where I wanted that. We'll take
I'm
it.
here.
Smash it. You see that?
Moose is sitting on that up and in.
We change up.
Pitch. We hit early there.
It's so slow. His changeup. Staying alive.
Staying alive.
Wow. Good rip.
Staying alive.
Ha 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 ha.
That's gone.
Kurtz.
Don't worry, Altuve's got it.
Let's just walk Hammer every time he's up.
I think it's a good idea.
I didn't want to give him anything to hit right there.
Moose is the one who hit the
Second,
home run.
he's gonna steal. Yeah. Good move. Good
He's
move.
Big donkey, get the tag down.
Everyone's got to be yelling back. Back.
That was a
Come
dot.
on. Don't mess around with this guy. It's Bean.
Oh,
That's a
Oh
dot.
my
that's paint.
god.
That's paint.
There you go. Blow it right by him like a little fart he
All it
makes on
takes
his
is
chair.
Heh.
Whew.
Heh. Like
Come on,
Bean
Jock.
watching his hand go down.
All right, let's get on.
What'd you say?
Hey, good eye.
What the fuck did you say?
Hands go down as what? With the lotion?
Stop batting. Stop making me laugh.
A little Friday
Press some
night beat.
buttons, Moose.
Which button? I don't know which button to press for that.
Yeah.
Press any button.
Oh, no, you can't use that for your advantage, bro. That's not fair at all. There you go.
Good hack.
Make
Get
a
going.
play.
Get going. Get going. Get going.
Get out, ball!
Yes!
Let's go. Let's go, Jock.
I can't fucking pitch.
Wait. Giancarlo's my guy.
I thought you were batting.
What the fuck?
It's all right, you-
no,
you have
you got
Casas.
you got 95
I don't
stand
want
now.
Casas.
Casas is nice, bro.
Body like a ditty boy. Fuck you. I wanted my Stanton.
I said,
Hey,
is
don't party
everything
like a
good?
ditty
No one said anything.
I didn't look. I couldn't look.
That's why I asked.
Alright, it was meant to be. It was meant to be.
Oh, I got frozen.
It was meant to be.
Let's go, Jimmy.
I'm
You got the
man,
matchup.
Let it go.
I'm not gonna lie, I'd rather this Casas matchup right now.
That's what bad management gets you.
Good pitch. Oh!
Hey, way back, drop a ball. Good eye.
Really good take, especially with 2 strikes.
Yeah.
Come on.
Hit
bro.
that ball.
Hey.
Hit that
Hey,
ball.
Hey,
There it
Tristan
is.
Casas.
15 speed?
Why don't you get me on base?
Right.
Hey. You're on first base, alright? Good.
Jesus.
Is that a boo button?
Zagnito has a base swing.
Ah,
Turn
Man,
it.
let's go. It's alright.
Safe. Oh,
Great,
he's out.
great swing at Zach right there.
It's alright. Alright, nice little outfield. I got that.
fucking black guy.
game's good look against Big
Off a
Donkey.
tree.
That's all I'm gonna say.
Oh.
Hey, look, we're making him work. That's what matters.
Right? We got other pitch.
Yeah, we're not worried.
Yep, that's what I wanted.
Good. You're ahead. You didn't.
That's fine.
Happy with no.
Ooh, a bit low there, laddie.
Not me, so you got the high end and fastball.
Jesus Christ, Jack. Just saw the picture you sent.
Good pitch.
Pitch. Is that 5 for Nolan so far? Is that fuck?
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh,
Crazy.
Wow.
Smart. That's heads up
Wow,
baseball
I
right
like
there.
it. Hey, hey, ground ball.
We call that analytics.
Hey, roll me
There
the
it
fuck
is.
up.
There
Oh
it
my
is.
Roll me the
god.
fuck
Attaboy,
up.
James.
let's go! Let's go!
You fucking
Roll me the
kidding
fuck
me?
up.
They call me the wizard. Ozzie Smith.
Analytics right there.
Fuck your analytics.
You think I'm gonna throw the big donkey, Uncle Hammer? There you
down.
go. Way
That's
to go
down.
with it. Way to go
Bean,
with
don't
it.
do
Get
it,
two.
Bean!
Oh, that's
Get
inside
two.
the park.
Bean,
Get
what
three.
the
That's inside the
fuck?
park.
Get
Oh,
two.
That's
that's
in.
a
You're in.
marker. That's a
You're in.
run.
Get
You're
going.
in.
Get
That's a
going.
You're
run.
in.
Get going.
You're in.
Get
Send
going.
it
That's a
all the
run.
way. All the way.
That's
You're
a
in.
run.
You're in. You're in.
That's a run. That's a run,
Yeah.
boys. Come on, that's a fucking run,
It had
boys.
the it had the red
That's
thing
a-
around
Have you
it. I
played
thought
this
That's
I'd
game
do
this
it.
year? You know that red thing means shit.
Oh,
Hey,
that's
that's a
a
single.
Oh.
Good swing, good swing.
It's alright, we're good. We had to score more than 2 runs anyway.
Go beef. Let's go.
Hey, top of the lineup.
Come
The
on,
dudes
boys.
are up. The dudes are up. Let's go.
It's alright, we have the best and second best player
Who?
in this game.
Who?
Jack and Moose. They're the 2 best.
Oh,
What are you laughing at, Naldo?
It's Steven. Come on,
Steven
Steven. It's
hasn't
Steven
been
right
close to my rating this year.
Steven went Yahtzee, brother.
Oh,
You got some shit talk.
Good hack, Steve.
Alright,
Don't worry about
infield
that kid. Good fucking hack, Steve.
Who's up, Jimmy?
What the my rating?
The guy who had an inside the park home run.
no, it's Naldo.
Oh,
What's
definitely bring him in.
Naldo, you heard that?
I
Wait for
heard
your
it.
pitch. Wait for your pitch. Well, now you can't.
That's a great high and away fastball.
Hey, fight it.
Oh,
I'll fight. I got to it.
I love it. Same spot.
Bean?
Get
What are
through.
you doing?
Come
That's a hard
on.
football.
That ball
I'm trying to
smoked.
play. I'm playing mental games.
That ball
Did not work.
smoked.
Just told him where I was throwing the ball.
That's right. We got in the out, didn't we?
First pitch misses. Well, these guys, as this game
Good age up.
have to be more disciplined at the plate. They're chasing a lot of pitches.
These guys do have to be more disciplined at the plate.
That are turning into a bunch
You're
of
absolutely right.
Can they turn that around and stay within the zone? We'll see, but I think
You threw 3 pitches, 2 pitches last inning because you fucking
Good pitch.
intentionally walked our best player.
Hey, you got
It was me, actually.
you got rolled up.
And it worked.
Nah.
103. That's
You
103
know
in the
what to
gun.
do.
here's Trevor Story. Struck out looking at his first at
Do it.
I ain't scared. I ain't scared.
Oh, his
Sure, bad
famous
boy.
last words.
and that is out of play.
Not scared.
No
There you
way.
go.
Check it.
And what does Bob Ross do?
Throw that fastball.
He paints.
See ya.
Even though I was right on the
Here comes Chris Taylor.
He paints a picture.
Victim his first time. Inside,
Oof.
just missed.
Pitch.
This is Beans. I'm going on my phone.
Holding on. Top half of inning number 4.
Don't say that while pitching. Oh, a wee bit early there. That.
Second, third time through the lineup.
He's got his kilt on.
Lean on those secondary pitches and can
Come on, James. I'm trying to pitch here.
Are you trying to pitch?
Fucked up that meter so bad. Beanie.
Bean, I swear this is the
High
fastball.
fastball. High fastball.
Bean,
103 up and in.
Bean, I promise you this is the fastball.
I'm sorry, brother.
Anyone look at the
Is
clock?
this guy?
Bean,
Those
this,
hands,
Bean, this
those
is the
hands
fastball.
look like they're on 12-6 to me.
There
Hey,
you
Bean,
go.
how about I
Get
take it
there.
all the way?
Get there. Slide it in. Slide it
Fuck
out.
all of you.
Actually, he played in co-op.
Go, Donkey. Kickity, kickity,
This is Jamesy boy? Oh, this ball's gone.
All right. All right.
That was it. you were on it. You were on it.
I was on my
Alright.
phone, actually.
Might as well take
Fair.
a few steps back to the dugout now.
I'm taking a nap.
Staying alive. That's what James does. Fights.
You throw me a low changeup?
Skibbity boop bop bip.
Yeah.
Piece of
Oh!
Good
Fucking
piece of hitting.
shift. You're lucky.
Donkey the donkey.
Honestly, couldn't draw it up any better.
Good piece of him.
Bean, this for you.
Good eye. Spit on that.
I
Just
just
trying
farted
to
on
toot
my
one
mic,
out.
but it was
We
silent.
didn't hear it. You just did that for no
There was-
reason.
There was no noise. There's not a single noise.
I just said it was silent.
Deadly?
I felt one. Yo, it's deadly.
Stick a
fucking
shit on your
kidding.
mic for no reason.
It stinks. It stinks so good.
He's got pink eye now.
Guy.
It stinks so good.
He's got
Oh,
pink eye
Bean's
for
chair's
no
back.
reason.
Base hit ball 4.
All right, Bean.
I'm not trying to do
Good
that.
eye.
There it
Started
is.
to try and
Take
do
your
it.
walk.
I swear to
worked,
God,
Bean.
I'm not. I'm just leaning back.
Oh!
Yeah.
Roll it, Jack.
Get out.
Uh-oh.
Keep going. Keep going.
It's,
Keep going.
Come on, rob it,
Keep going.
Moose.
I
Oh,
just missed it. I just missed it.
you did. You
Number
just
one.
missed
I
it.
just missed it.
Forgot I was eating fields for a
I
minute.
just fucking missed it, bro.
Jimmy
He
Tristan.
didn't miss it.
Jimmy
He didn't miss
Do
it.
not
He didn't
give
miss
that
it.
pitch to me.
He didn't miss it. He didn't miss it.
You didn't want who, James? I knew what I was doing.
Let's go.
What a
Let's
manager.
go, boy.
It's all derby.
Hell yeah, it's all derby. This team, this team, we're
I
selfish.
just play my
we're
role.
selfless.
That's all I do. I just play my role.
Hell yeah. Hell
That
yeah, I'm
means
just here.
James is due to give up a home run now.
Come on. What are you, an asshole?
Joe
How do you get a
Ash,
hit?
It's unreal. Ryan Presley! Field the fucking ball!
Good eye.
That's the best one. I was so genuine. That was genuine anger.
Joe.
It's a good swing.
No, the
Good
best
swing.
one is.
Good swing, Steve-O.
I'm
Look
sorry,
at that, look at
bro.
that pimp job.
Good change
Ryan. Nah, Ryan Presley field the fucking ball. It's my favorite one.
Good pitch. Good change up. Very good change up. Oh, it's gotta be Beans.
Oh,
Sorry.
Ooh, somebody's sitting it.
every day.
Every day when you're walking down the street.
There he
Oh
is.
my god.
Good piece of him.
Moosey doubles.
Maybe 3.
Got a chance. You know who's out there?
This donkey out there.
Where's that first?
First base.
That's Joe Beef out there.
That's even worse.
You mean even worse?
Like worse for us.
That's paint. The 104. That's paint. That's unhittable.
104 is ridiculous.
That's insane. In the 5th inning. Yep. Yep.
way.
That's paint. Paint.
No fucking shot. You're
He's
there.
going. He's going.
Got it. Got him. Got him.
Got him.
That's definitely Hammer. Just run at him.
Back.
Oh. Who's playing third?
Hammer, go.
Third. First.
Oh, no. Third. Home.
Four.
Oh, you had it.
Oh, he had it. Hold it. Hold it.
Still got him. Still
got him.
Oh, it's me.
No.
No.
Oh. Throw it home, James.
Yes! Let's go! Let's go!
James.
Bro, don't say James. You threw it mad late. It was that meter.
I'm in the outfield.
I know. It was Ronaldo.
James, I got that ball to you in plenty of time, brother.
No, you did not.
Oh, you
RBI bunt.
bunted with 2 outs.
Yeah. Evan Carter's got
By the
some
time-
gets on, he steals.
Let's
Sorry.
go. That's my value to the team right there.
It's alright. That's 2 hits. It's alright.
I'm a little vocal.
Oh no.
Oh, not who I.
why?
You
Can
should
I-
have done
should
this
I
with
switch?
Bean.
I'm
Can I
so
switch?
bad with him. I got like a 25 ERA with him.
Let's jump on him.
Continue to aggress.
And he's usually in left field, but today he's patrolling center.
No, my advanced stats are not good.
Well, typically left fielders have a certain amount of range in the outfield, so for him to take the responsibility in center field in this one, he's going to really need his corner teammates to help.
I can't throw a strike.
It's hard to throw a
with him.
strike.
I'm telling you, it's tough, man.
99 speed, get him.
Oh, come on. Stay in there.
I moved
Rio
my
green light,
PCI,
Ivan
bro.
Carter.
I moved my PC.
Hell
I was
yeah.
all over that.
We trust our team. That's
There
it.
you
That's
go.
it.
Hell
Though.
Stay one.
We got 96 speed on base though.
Check,
Hey,
this
it's
was
not
a
the
bad
it's not
idea.
the it's not the pretty it's not
Should
the
have
prettiest thing you've
consulted
ever
the team
seen.
before this.
You got it.
Bean, just move fast.
I can't.
It's not that
I'm
hard.
drunk. I'm drunk.
It doesn't matter.
That's down and in. Chris with that distraction and a speedy guy at first. He's in a
No.
Turn it.
story. Off balance feet.
Hit it hard.
Great
Hit it
move,
hard.
Jack.
Hit it hard.
Great,
Hit it hard.
great move, Hammer.
It's alright. Bean's gonna throw Joe Beef nothing in sync. He's taking 45.
Oh,
Yeah.
I wish you could see my PCI for that.
A wee bit early there, laddie.
we can.
Couldn't
we
see
can.
the we couldn't see the little yellow dot. It was so perfect.
Swing and a miss.
Man, 91 on the slider right
You're gonna get
Inside.
knocked here, Steve.
Inside.
That's a low fastball for some pitchers.
Good take.
Skips into dirt.
Bean, I'm sitting on that sinker.
Anything in the
Don't throw
zone.
it.
Anything in the zone is a hit.
Throw it, Bean. Throw it.
You see
Out
him.
of
You
the
see him
zone.
real well.
Slide.
You see him so well. Anything in the zone is a hit.
Let's go. A wee bit early there, laddie.
They call me Pablo.
Nope.
Pablo walks.
Pablo
The fuck is Pablo?
Lopez. The Penguin and Backyardigans.
Pablo Sanchez?
Pablo the Penguin. There you
Pablo
go.
the Penguin from the Backyardigans.
Oh, backyard. I think you said. I think you meant like backyard baseball.
Steve, you can't take me out of this at bat. Steve, you can't take me out of that at bat, bro.
Fuck you, dickhead.
I didn't think Bean was paying. I didn't think Bean was paying attention.
That's stupid.
Steve, you can't take me out of that one, brother.
What the fuck did you say, Moose?
No, you can't lead off walk.
Hold the free base.
Can't
Intentionally walked to get to the
pitch to him there. Hammer doesn't have a hit yet today.
Oh. Bombadillo crocodillo. You can't do that while I'm trying to hit him, Moose.
that's a thing. I thought Bean was saying
I
that the whole
thought
time.
Dean was saying that the entire
I
time.
thought Bean was saying that the entire time.
Tongue, sucker.
That's not a button. That's Bean.
Jimmy, if you roll this right now, he's stealing. He's stealing.
First tower.
Stealing. I knew it. I knew it. Got him.
Now they get the runner and a rundown.
We got him. Got him.
The tag.
Attaboy,
Let's
Steve.
go.
Hey, 2-1, make a pitch. Get out of this. Nolan Ryan.
Oh,
It's
get
down,
that.
Moose.
Get that, Joe Beef. Get that beef.
He's not
Good
getting
three, Moose.
Oh, you could have laid out. You
I
could
had
have laid
not
out.
3. I have Yasmani Grandal.
That's not beef. That's Peterson.
Nah, I had no red marks on that. I couldn't take that
The
risk.
red marks
That's
aren't
inside
even
the park.
diving.
Oh,
Please.
yeah. The red marks are so
Just
accurate.
drop. They're just fly balls that drop in.
Yeah, they just don't work.
Good
Yep.
pitch.
You should walk him. It's Hammer.
Pitch.
You're gonna miss. You want to miss outside the zone. When you miss inside the zone, it's trouble.
Pitch misses. And again,
Hey, you got open base here.
runner at second. 2 down. So now 2 on.
Alright, good pitch. Good pitch.
Here comes Chris.
Go, William.
Gosh, another walk in this one. Man, he is having some real issues.
Yep.
with control.
That's off the
No
inside.
way.
Yeah.
Great eye. Good take.
Good
Bean,
eye.
get off your phone and swing the bat.
Yeah, hell of a take, Bean. Too good of a take. Yep.
That's
Sit
paint.
down. Let's get moving, boys. Let's get moving.
Jose Ramirez. That
Nope.
one misses. Ball one.
Bro's putting in overtime with that chair.
Headed to
No.
Oh,
Get
stay
down.
fair.
Get down.
Stay
Get
fair.
down. Oh.
and that is a foul ball.
Die.
Does Beans have a girl over on his bed? No.
Die.
Don't trust that it's gonna hang on for a
Oh my goodness.
Good pitch. Hard strike.
Got it.
Give me another chance. Bro, no shots.
Except that.
Adam Dunn, the next to hit.
Oh, you gotta give me another chance on
I
that.
got tied too soon.
Oh. Look at my PCI. No.
That last at bat was just one of those at bats. You just gotta give me something there. Good pitch. Good pitch. Good pitch.
All right, let's go, jockstrap.
This has been the biggest waste of Adam Dunn I've ever seen in my life.
Score, boy. Did you even get a hit yet?
Bombadillo crocodillo.
Top moves.
Get there.
That wasn't me. That was me. I'm pitching.
I can't tell what's real and what's not.
Bombadillo crocodillo.
No, it's better than 104. Little 83. Up. Angel's got it.
I'm sorry. Can you throw a
Only
fucking
it was-
strike, you fat Dominican? He's
I'm
white.
trying. Who's snorting?
He's snoring.
I can't. Hang on. I gotta step off.
Who the fuck is snoring?
Give me a second.
It's a girl Beans got over.
Bombadillo crocodillo.
Shut
Yo.
up, Bean.
Yeah.
Stop. I can't pitch like this.
That was Moose.
I can't do this.
Come on, roll it.
Yeah, roll me the fuck up,
Oh
Steve.
my god, we're in the 7th already? I'm fucking
That sounds like a you
hammered.
problem.
I thought we were in like the 4th.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do a little two-head.
We hopping another after this?
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely.
Let's go.
It's the
Oh,
best
that's
of
it.
3
That's
series.
it.
Back in.
That's
Oh,
it. No!
go.
Get second, two. 1, 2. You got him. Second. You got him on a rundown. That's it. No! You got him.
Let's go.
That's heads up.
Let's go,
heads up
boys.
baseball.
That's how you play ball. That's how you play ball.
Unbelievable. That's the best hit I've had all
Some of the
game.
worst fundamental baseball I've ever seen. This game.
That's how you fucking play ball. Let's go.
I was like, wait, that chicken yet? Tasty as hell.
Don't leave Tariq Scooblein. Not exactly who I wanted to see.
Shut the fuck up.
Not
the
exactly
fuck
who I
is
wanted
this
to see. I'll be
Who
honest.
the fuck is this guy?
Oh, we're home? Nice.
Shit.
Oh.
Someone
let's
have
go.
Ellie on
Your
their
pitch
team?
here.
Ellie?
Oh my
No,
gosh,
Nyko.
bro.
Nyko, what are you doing, Nyko?
Give me Cassis. Let's go. Stay hot.
Moose's plan is just to. That's what we gotta do. We just gotta play the voice clips while they're up to bat.
Why? So
Not
Jimmy
use the pitch
Cassis
for
could
it
go
either.
yard again?
That
He
doesn't
said, no,
affect
I don't
me.
want to use Tristan Casas.
Oh, I know what affects you.
I'm sorry, brother.
No! Let's do the whole. That in fact did not affect me. It got the best of me.
Let the record show.
Oh, stay in there.
Ooh.
Throwing junk.
Stop a ball the other way, Steve. Here. Good take. Good
Wow.
fucking take. Good take.
It's gonna be a ball. He's throwing a ball.
Huh?
There it is.
Get it the other way.
Yeah.
Yep.
Atta boy,
Yep.
Steve. Atta boy, Steve. What a net
He
back.
did in
Get
fact
in the
throw a
way.
ball, but it doesn't matter. Derby's going with it. You throw the hands, you get a hit. Oh,
I was not on that.
Bombardillo crocodillo.
wow.
I'm not doing anything with that.
Except hitting over the fence.
Got him.
Heh. That guy stinks.
This guy touches kids.
Dean, now's not the time.
AC July 18th. I'm getting a day bed. HQ.
Not at night.
Not you.
There he is.
And the batter now, Adam Dunn. He's 0 for 1. Outside low.
Oof.
And that is ball 1.
The hammer take right there.
Right through there for a strike. Ball 2. And that is
Bombadillo. Crocodilo.
Good pitch.
Great pitch.
It
Get
was
there,
stay
Miz.
away.
Tried.
one down, base is empty. Draws the walk.
Good fucking take. Wow.
What is he? What is he? 0 for 0 with 4 walks?
DH spot.
0 for 1.
And he swings and misses.
One perfect line out.
And that's it for a strike.
Yep.
Good
Sit down,
pitch.
George.
That was pretty nasty. Yasmani Grandal digs in now. That misses, and that's ball 1.
Go after him. Go after him.
With the tying run at the plate, and we're at the top of the 8th. Pickoff move to first.
Oof.
He's got it. He's got to get him. He's got to get him.
Absolutely not.
2 duns.
It's the donkey.
God. How am I late? I'm
I got
sitting on the fucking sink.
Let's go. Hey, let's go.
Let's get some runs here.
Let's get an insurance. Insurance run. Get a man on.
Oh,
Good hack, James. Good hack, James. Get a man on, James.
He features a sinker, a slur, a changeup, a 4-seamer.
19 pitches in. Make him come at you.
There it is. There it is.
Yep. Good hack. Good hack, James.
let's go, boys.
Play donk. Would hold him to 1.
Yep. But now you got to deal with Joe B.
Who do you want? Actually, guys.
Put in a lefty. Go ahead. Put in a
Oh,
lefty.
Bean's pitching. Oh,
Little flamingo bomber.
Who
Oh.
cares? Who cares?
For the base hit, those always feel great.
And now
Nope.
He
Spit on
went.
it.
Yeah,
Spit on
we
it.
don't like-
Steve, sit a spot.
Watch him at
Sit a
first.
spot. Make him come to you.
in the
Oh.
right field, Carter settles under this one.
I'm tagging.
Home.
Puts the squeeze on that.
4.
And there's one down.
Bombadillo Crocodilo.
Jose Ramirez.
Bombardillo crocodillo.
Come on. Stay in there. Keep your head. Oh, I thought you were driving that the other way for sure.
Bomber deals. That's
Good
It's
take.
down
Good
to
take.
1 and 2.
Anything but the ending double play.
That one shot.
Beautiful.
on, Blue.
Beautiful take. Good beautiful
Tap the
take.
helmet.
For pitchers because he fouls off so many pitches and grinds out the at bat. I'm sure
Oh, good pitch.
Dean
Little
Ross
back
has
door.
there.
They call me Curtis.
he'd have to waste 6 or
Painter.
Jockey. Now or never.
No,
Nope.
I
Right?
fucking
Guess it's
checked.
never.
Hey.
And that's off the
Good eye.
inside edge. And it's 1-1.
No.
That.
Oh, I
That.
knew it was
That.
there. He's coming inside sinker.
And
Good eye. Good eye. Good eye.
Higashioka leads off first with 2 down to the inning. Rudder takes off.
Great fight.
And it remains 2-2.
Hey, not moving, James. Take your pitch. Attaboy.
Oh, you should have went.
In the dirt.
He's
Sorry,
gunned
gotta
if
get
he
one.
went.
Got it. Throw a strike.
Keeps the
Fight.
going with a foul ball.
Hey, 3-2.
They don't
Base
wanna-
hit ball 4. Base
They
hit
don't
ball
want
4.
to see Jock.
Hit in the air,
Drop her.
right field.
I got
Drop her.
Get down. Get down.
Carter
Ah.
puts it in, and
7 Carter.
All right, let's
All
go.
right, Steve.
All right,
Give
let's go.
me.
Get him.
I already know who you're getting. Choice.
to the
Give me
ninth.
Don Sutton.
Story.
Nah, don't go Don.
Don.
Yeah. Yeah. I like it.
I don't care if it's Trevor's story.
And there's a foul ball. Little chopper
Edge.
rolls foul.
Oof.
Joe Beef would have robbed that.
That's down and in. A
Good pitch.
slider missed. And a foul ball.
Beans rumbling, tumbling.
No way.
Fight.
No way.
Ground ball. That's your ground ball right there. You got it. That's 1 away.
That's foul off to the right side. Keeps
Man, I see the baseball. Let him get over there.
run at the plate. Here in the
Edge. Beautiful.
Chris Taylor down. 0 for 3 with 2 strikeouts and a ground out. Into first
Oh,
base
what the
misses
fuck?
for ball 1.
It's all right.
And it's fouled away. Base is empty, 1 away here in the top of the 9th. Late on that
Yep.
fastball. 1 ball, 2 strikes.
Oh, good pitch.
Fouls it away. And misses inside.
Good pitch.
Still just the second batter of the inning, and on the mound, he's already thrown 13 pitches. They've got him working
Go.
hard out there.
Next pitch is yours.
3-2 now. Gets a piece there. We'll do it again.
Oh, this is Beans.
Yeah.
Nope.
1 down, base is empty. Struck
Beautiful.
Edge.
Beautiful.
Dot.
down
Dot.
to their last out.
Right at him. 1 more.
Switch hitting third baseman Jose Ramirez. This one in the air, right field.
Get there.
Get
See you later,
there.
Moose.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Now Hammer's up again.
That's not me, bro. I had nothing to do with that, man.
No.
Moose, say
That's
his
not
name.
you at all. Oh,
That is
God.
insane.
Louder.
Believe in Higashioka.
I've never been more scared in my life right now.
Nah, it's fine.
Beautiful.
Dot. Dot.
Keep playing it. Yes,
believe in this
Joe Hendry.
Let's go, James. Let's go, James.
Never a doubt.
Boys, they were talking shit before that game. Do you remember that? They were
Yeah,
like,
right.
this
I
game,
have
this
to ask
dude-
one question.
I heard a best of 3.
Dean,
Let's
Yeah.
go.
how many
Let's
times
go.
you strike out looking?
Too many.